In contemporary world, the strategic cost management will not only means cost management but also focuses on revenue management. Therefore, strategic cost management as a philosophy of improving cost and revenue, a proactive attitude, and a set of techniques that can enable a company to improve its cost, increase revenues, improve productivity and customer satisfaction, and at the same time improves the strategic positioning of the company. Always remember that cost leadership strategy must be followed with due care, because while declining the price or retaining it same, we should not delete some key features of the product. Maybe that will adversely affect us and we will lose the cost leadership. So our products and services need to be evaluated for their utility properly. ਹਰ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟਸ ਕਮਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਡਿਸੀਜਨਸ 'ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਿੰਸੀਅਰ ਐਫਰਟ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ all the good decisions leads to profit, and profitability ਤੇ effective management ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਹੀ ਤਾਲਮੇਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਜੋ ਕਿ cost accounting ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਦਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ cost management ਨੇ cost accounting ਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਡਾਟਾ ਤੋਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਕੀਤੀ। ਜਦ ਤੱਕ cost manager cost accounting ਡਾਟਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅੱਛੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢ ਲੈਂਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕ੍ਰਿਟੀਕਲ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਲੈਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ cost accounting ਡਾਟਾ ਦਾ ਰੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੇਗਾ। Cost management cannot be achieved by applying a certain set of formulas, whereas it is just a philosophy, it is an attitude. It can be applied by using certain techniques so that this philosophy and attitude can be communicated from the top level to all the supervising staff as well as operational staff. Cost accounting ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਡ ਰॉ ਡਾਟਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਦ ਕਿ ਕੋਸਟ ਮੈਨੇਜਰਸ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਕਾਊਂਟਿੰਗ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਸ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ। Cost management can be attained by cost leadership. Cost leadership has two facets. We can assume same price or different price. Same price can be claimed only when we provide higher quality product than our competitor at the same price, or another situation is when we are going to reduce our price but going to provide the same level features as our competitor is providing. So that is how we can compete with our competitor. So let's go for, if product X is a competitor's product and it is ranged at 250 per kg, and similar product Y is our product, for attaining the cost leadership we have two strategies: either to fix the rate at 250 or to reduce the rate of 2 then 250. If we prefer to maintain the same rate but we want customer to opt product Y, we need to give better value to the customer than product X. That means we need to add up some additional quality or higher range values to the product so that consumer can realize more than the product X. Only that is the condition we can retain the same price and win the cost leadership. Product X, when sold at rupees 250 per kg by our competitor, we can reduce our selling price of product Y at the rate of 245, 247 or 248 per kg, so that customers should opt our product. The only condition that we should have retained our features and quality minimum equivalent to the product X. That is how cost leadership help us decide various marketing strategies and will give us a lead in the market to attain competitive advantage.